To connect your Tapo C500 with the iPhone, first you will need to grab your camera and connect it to the power source. When it's booting and it's finished, pay attention to the LED lamp right here. When it's blinking red and green light, that means it's ready for a setup. If it doesn't, then you will need to follow our instructions on how to reset this camera to factory settings. There's a video about it on this channel that you're watching this video on. Now finally we can move to the iPhone, and right here open a Tapo app or download Tapo app from the App Store. It looks like this. When you launch the app, you may need to log into your account, after which we'll be able to click on this plus button and add our device. We need to search for Tapo C500. Select it on the list and then move to the next step. Now we need to connect our iPhone to the camera using Wi-Fi. So open a Wi-Fi settings of your iPhone and then look for the Tapo camera with the something on the end. If you click on that, then your camera will instantly start connecting with the app. Wait until that process is finished. And now choose a network that you want to use for your camera. You can click on reselect to pick another one, enter a password and move to the next step.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Next step is to pick a name for your camera. I'm gonna leave a default one. You can also choose location where it will be placed and pick a icon for quick identification. Now we can click on sounds good to proceed. You can read about the paid subscription. I'm gonna skip it. Set up local storage, which means inserting a micro SD card. We also have a video about it. And the last step was to adjust a firmware update auto times. Now after that, our camera is basically connected with the app and the setup is finished.